Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, how many of you have attempted the test? Hello?
Sir, I attempted.
Yes. What about others?
So I too attempted, sir.
How many of you have attempted? I'm asking. Abhinaya, Adyasha, Adyasha, Dhairya, Tanish. Okay. Wait. Why Abhinaya has left the meeting? Devanshika, what? Adyasha? Who else? Dhairya, did you?
Yes, sir.
Have you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Just a minute, people. Yes. Okay, let me share the screen. Yes. Guys, can you see the screen here?
Yes.
Yes. So today we'll talk about vector triple product. Vector triple product. So let us write. So for three vectors, everyone write this for three vectors. A comma B and C. A cross B cross C and A cross B cross C are called vector called vector triple product. Okay, triple products. So everyone take a note here. Everyone must copy. Everyone must copy simultaneously. I will not give extra time to copy to everyone. Please. This can be written as what? A dot C B minus A dot B C vector A cross B cross C or A dot B minus B dot C as A vector. Okay, so everyone take this note, very, very important. Very, very important. Okay, so next, so now here, very important point. If at all I write this, it is, what is the meaning of this? It is a vector. It is a vector lying in the plane of B and C, and what? Perpendicular to A. What is the meaning of this? If at all I write, if at all I give a this statement, what is the meaning of this? Here, it is a vector lying in the plane of B and C and perpendicular to A here. Okay, perpendicular to A, lying in the B and C vector. Okay, that is the meaning. So we'll be solving more questions on that. I'll just give you, look at this. How can I say that? Let any vector, I'm taking R. Let R vector is equal A cross B cross C. I'm giving a name. So now here, what is the meaning of this? R is a perpendicular to A and R is perpendicular to A, B cross C. That is the meaning of this. Okay. Here, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? But you write here, but B cross C is a perpendicular, is a vector. It is a vector perpendicular to what? Perpendicular to the plane B vector and C vector. You understood what is the meaning of this? It is a vector which is perpendicular to B vector and C vector. That is what we have learned in cross product as well. So therefore, what can I write here? R vector. Whatever the R vector I have here, that R vector which is perpendicular to B cross C. See, हमने ये जो भी पढ़ रहा है, it is not required for your exam point of view. मैंने थोड़ा समझाने के लिए, लेकिन all this we are learning. Okay, so all you need here is what? This point. This is a very important point. Look at this, a very important point. This is a very important point. Okay, so yes, so B cross is the vector perpendicular to the plane B and C, which is nothing but R is perpendicular to B and C. So what can I say now? So I can say that R is in the plane of B vector and C vector. Chariya. All right. Okay. Yes. So this is a basic thing you need to understand here. We have solved a question based upon, like, slight. We have solved a couple of questions based upon this concept as well, but we'll be solving in a more deeper way. Look at this. The question. Everyone take the question here. If at all I talk about the question, for any vector A, find A cross A vector cross I cap plus A vector cross J cap cross J cap plus A vector cross K cap cross K cap is equal to what? Option A, vector A. Option B, minus negative of vector A. Option C, 2 times of vector A. Option D, minus 2 times of vector A. Okay, so this is what given here. So for any vector A, we have to find out this. Okay, this is I only. Okay, how can I find out here? Just apply the concept which we have discussed now. A cross I cap is equal. What can I write this as? A dot I, A vector dot I vector, so I vector minus I vector dot I vector. That is what we have learned from the note. If you observe from the note, that is what we have learned. Look at this here. Okay, so that is what we have learned. Now what can I just write from this now? A vector I cap, so I vector I cap minus A. This is what nothing but what? 1 into A vector only. So similarly solve this for as well. So for this answer I got. Now solve this answer. What would you get? Tell me. What would you get? Similarly, guys, look at it here. You can say that immediately. Come on. What can I write here? Can I write a vector dot j vector j cap minus a vector, and what can I write for this? Okay, so this is what I got here. So now summation of all this is what? Look, let us consider first equation, second equation, third equation. If at all I add first equation, second equation, third equation, what I'm going to get? What I'm going to get? Very simple. Tell me, come on. What I'm going to get? Tell me. Solve the answer. Here, guys, look at what would you get? Look at this here. We know that here we know that what? A vector can be written as what? A vector can be written as what? A, or else you write here. If at all I add all this, what would you get? A vector I cap minus a vector plus a vector j cap into j cap minus a vector plus a vector into k cap minus a vector. So what would you get here? So a vector I cap to I cap plus a vector j vector plus a vector k cap minus 1a 3 times of a. Okay, 3 times of it. This is what I got here. Here, people, if you observe this, so what is the meaning of this? This is a x I cap. This can be written as a with respect, I mean, on y-axis j cap. A z represents k minus 3 times of a, and we know that, guys, summation of all this can be written as what? Simply a vector. A vector, we know that a vector can be written as ax. A vector, how can you represent that? On x-axis will take it as I cap, and y-axis will take it as j cap, and z-axis will take it as k cap. Okay, this is what I write here. Okay, people. So now look at this here. Now, so this can be written as what? This green color circle can be written as a minus 3a times of, so minus 2 times of a. This is the answer. Minus 2 times of a. Which option? Minus 2 times of a. Option D is correct here. Very simple. This was a basic question actually, guys. We have discussed this point. And I'm sure most of the students presented over here, they might have done with the vector lesson from your school side or college side, wherever you are studying. Make it fast. How many of you done? Next question. If at all I have a vector, b vector, and c vector are non-coplanar vectors. Non-coplanar vectors, guys, coplanar non-coplanar पे बहुत क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे आपको देखने के लिए एग्जाम में, तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है. सो यूनिट, at least you can expect a question from this non-coplanar vector. नॉन कोप्लानर यूनिट वेक्टर, such that root 2 given, then the angle between A and B is what? Option A 3 pi by 4, option B pi by 4, option C pi by 2, option D pi. Okay. What happened? What is the answer? But a very simple question. ABC are non-coplanar unit vectors, that this is equal to this, then angle between them is what? बेटा इसको कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग? मैंने अभी बताया था आपको, just now I told you this can be written as what? This can be written as what? As per the note, look at this here. A dot C B minus A dot B minus C. ये formula very very important. This can be written as 1 by times of B plus C times of root C divided by root 2. Okay. Yes. Now here what he has given here? What he has given B and here B ABC are non-coplanar vectors, non-coplanar unit vectors, right? So then what is going to happen here? Tell me. Compare the coefficient here, beta. Compare the coefficients. Here, this is equal to this. This is equal to this, isn't it? So A dot C can be written as what? 1 by 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2, isn't it? Yes or no, people? How many of you agree with my point? बेटा इधर प्लस इधर माइनस है तो प्लस ऑफ माइनस कर देंगे ना?
Yes, sir.
Hello, people, look at this here. Are you able to understand here?
Yes, sir.
A dot C is equal to 1 by root 2. Then A dot B 1 by root 2 होगा. इधर माइनस है तो माइनस डालेंगे इधर. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Make it fast. Yes or no, people? Be careful. Okay? Yes. So this is what I get here. Now, what do you have to find out here? Cos theta का फॉर्मूला चाहिए मुझे. Cos theta का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है बताइए मुझे. Very simple. Angle between A and B. Angle between A and B. Angle between A and B. देखो इसके बीच में एंगल क्या होगा? Cos theta is equal to 1 minus 1 by root. Theta is equal to what? Minus 1 by root when it will come. 1 by root. Options check करेंगे. pi by 4 तो not possible, pi by 2 तो not possible, cos pi how much? Not possible, 3 pi by 4 the answer. देखो समझ में आ रहा है आपको? 1 minus 1 by root 2 कब मिलेगा हमको? pi by 4 तो हम हमेशा like pi by 4 is not possible at all, pi by 2 तो not possible, cos pi कितना होता है? 90 plus 90, cos pi कितना होता है? -1, right? Isn't it, people?
Yes.
So -1. So this is the option. What now? Theta is equal to minus, I mean 3 pi by 4. The possible option is 3 pi by 4. चेक करके देख लो cos 135 कितना मिलेगा मुझे? cos 135 देखो, cos 135 90 plus 45, so sin 45 minus sin 45, तो -1 by root 2 sin है, isn't it? सही है. People understood or not बेटा here? Guys, he is asking angle between A and B, तो मुझे यही चाहिए ना, A and B का बीच में रिलेशन ही चाहिए ना मुझे. Are you guys able to understand here or not? कितना लड्डू का सवाल है ये? Hello people, yes or no? Hello.
Yes.
Next
Yes,
question.
sir.
Yes, guys, I would like to request everyone that please do respond in the class. Do respond in the class. Don't be keep quiet in the class. ये क्या आ रहा है बीच में? ओहो देखो. हाँ, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मेरे पास ए वेक्टर है, ए वेक्टर 2i plus j minus 2k, b vector given that I plus j, this is the given if c vector is a vector such that a dot c is equal to modulus of c, a dot c, one second, let me write here, such that a vector c vector is equal to magnitude of c, and c vector minus a vector is equal to 2 times of root 2, angle between (30°), then find make it fast. A vector, B vector given, C is a vector such that A dot C, magnitude of C, C minus A is equal to this is given, and angle between A and B and C is 30° given. Find the magnitude of A cross B. Very, very simple question, very, very important question as well. Very, very important type of question. Brilliant question. But he is asking angle between this, right? How can I just find out? Guys, I'm giving you 40 seconds of time. Let's see how many of you are going to give the answer. Very simple, very, very simple. This is cross product angle पूछ रहे हो, cross product. देखो फॉर्मूला क्या बनेगा मेरा? What is the formula is going to be? A cross B, magnitude of A cross B, magnitude of C and sin theta. समझ में आ रहा है फॉर्मूला?
Yes, sir.
What the answer is going to be? हमारे को like you know we don't know A cross B here. Find out A cross B. Guys, after 10 minutes everyone must join. You have 9 more minutes. After 9 minutes everyone must join. The meeting is going to wind up after 40 minutes, so everyone must join. So here 5 members have joined. 5 out of 5 students again should join the session without fail. Okay, yes. हाँ गाइस, मुझे देखो मेरे पास एक क्लास भी नहीं है. एक क्लास भी कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? बाय यूजिंग अ डिटरमिनेंट मेथड. ठीक है, डॉट आई मीन द डिटरमिनेंट मेथड. सो उधर से मुझे एक क्लास भी मिल जाएगा. सी सी माइनस एस, a dot c is equal to c given, and c minus a given how much? C minus a given how much? 2 root 2. From this I'll be getting what? From this I'll be getting c magnitude of c value. Okay, then sin theta given. Theta how much given? 30 degree. Substitute करो, मिल जाएगा बेटा. Look at this, given what he has given here. मुझे here a क्रॉस भी नहीं पता है. ठीक है, okay, a क्रॉस भी हम I can find out a क्रॉस भी very easily, right? I can find out a क्रॉस भी very easily. All you have to हमेशा look at this here. a क्रॉस भी मेरे पास easy से मिल जाएगा मुझे, मगर मुझे थोड़ा दिक्कत करने पड़ेगा. किसके लिए? Magnitude of c के लिए. How can I find out? He did not given any kind of stuff. He did not given any kind of stuff, which is magnitude of c, right? हमको क्या करना है? Magnitude of c को find out करना है. How can I find out magnitude of c here? By using this given condition. Look at this here. Given magnitude of c minus a 2 root 2 given. How can I find out c बेटा here? Squaring on both sides. एक ही हमारे पास एक ही ऑप्शन है. देखो, squaring on both sides. हम squaring on both sides करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? Magnitude of c square plus magnitude of a square minus 2 times of a dot c is equal to 2. 4 2 8. ठीक है, मुझे c चाहिए इधर. मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ये हाउ मच बेटा? मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ये कितना? टेल मी व्हाट इज मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ये हियर? मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ये क्या मिलेगा मुझे? टेल मी गाइस. अरे यार, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ये क्या है इधर इतना? हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू राइट मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ये बेटा? देखो, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ये क्या होगा? 4 + 1 + 4 कितना? √9 का मतलब 3 ना? isn't it? isn't it बेटा? मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ये 3 मिलेगा. 3 स्क्वायर की उसमें 9, isn't it? माइनस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ a डॉट c. a डॉट c देखो, a डॉट c का मतलब क्या है? मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ c है इधर. समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? हेलो गिवन. हेलो पीपल, yes or no? मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ a डॉट c गिवन व्हाट? सो इधर मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ c मिलेगा मुझे. क्या मिलेगा? मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ c इज इक्वल 8. सो मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ c स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस 2 टाइम्स ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ c इज इक्वल देखो +9 - 8 इज इक्वल 0. तो कितना मिलेगा मुझे? +1 इधर डायरेक्टली. +1 इज इक्वल 0. So can I write here what is a perfect square? This can be written as perfect square of what? Magnitude of c minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So magnitude of c कितना मिलेगा मुझे? 1. समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? Hello people, yes or no? Any doubts here? Hello?
No.
Dhairya, Abhinaya, Tanish, Adesha, Devanshika, are you guys able to understand or not? Tell me one thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So magnitude of C मुझे मिल गया. तो now I know everything here. I know everything here. मुझे magnitude of C मिल गया बेटा. देखो magnitude of C I got now. I need to find out what A cross B. A cross B कैसा find out कर लेंगे हम लोग? How can I find out? By magnitude. By magnitude. I mean, I here A cross B of two vectors. Cross product of two vectors. I J K 2 1 minus 2 1 1 0. देखो इसको कैसा फाइंड आउट करेंगे? I 0 minus into minus plus 2 minus j cap, so 0 plus 2 plus k 2 minus 1, तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 2i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, isn't it? This is what I get. This is A cross B. देखो मुझे मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ A cross B क्या मिलेगा? मुझे मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ A cross B क्या होगा बेटा? This is mag A cross B. Magnitude of A cross B is going to be what? This is A cross B. What exactly the A cross B's magnitude? 4 plus 1, 9. So root 9, how much? 3. Root 9 is equal to 3. So magnitude of A cross B is 3 here. Clear? So मुझे everything I just got now. So straight away I can find out the answer of this, right? All right. So magnitude of A cross B how much? 3 into magnitude of C how much? 1 into sine theta. Theta how much? 30 degrees given. So 3 into 1 into sine 30, 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 is going to be the answer. Isn't it, people? 3 by 2 मेरे पास है कि नहीं? देखो 3 by 2 option B is correct. Any doubt? Hello people, any doubts here? Guys, are you here?
No, sir.
Any doubts? कितना सा सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. देखो बेटा, हमको एक लॉजिक पता चलना है कि व्हाट लॉजिक इज दैट. व्हाट लॉजिक यू हैव टू गेट हियर? स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड. इधर से मुझे क्या मिलेगा? ये सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. इसके बाद इसको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाएंगे. परफेक्ट स्क्वायर के बाद क्या मिलेंगे हमको? क्या मिलेंगे हमको? ये मिल जाएगा क्या? मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ सी. मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ सी आई गॉट. एंड मुझे क्या चाहिए? मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ सी मिल गया मुझे. इधर साइन थीटा तो आराम से मिल जाएगा. मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी नहीं मिलेगा आपको बाय यूजिंग क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मूला. ये डिटरमिनेंट के तरीके से बनाएंगे तो मिल जाएगा मुझे आराम से. ठीक है? यस और नो पीपल? यस और नो? Yes or no people? Next question.
Yes, sir.
Let A comma B and C be 3 unit vectors such that A cross B cross C is equal to root 3 by 2, such that root 3 by 2 of if B vector is not parallel to C vector, then the angle between A and B is equal to what? This is a JEE mains 2000